Whoa! Hey there, welcome! Today, we're diving into something super cool, programming. Now, before you start thinking, wait, programming sounds complicated. Hold on, it's actually just giving computers instructions so they know what to do. Kind of like when you follow steps to brush your teeth or make a sandwich. Easy, right? Think of it this way. You're teaching a robot how to start the day. You have to tell it exactly what to do, step by step. But uh-oh, what if you forget to say, put toothpaste on the brush? The poor robot might start brushing with an empty toothbrush. Yikes! See, computers don't think for themselves. They only follow instructions, exactly as you give them. So if something goes wrong, well, that's on us. Oops! But here's the cool part. Programming is everywhere. It's what makes video games work, helps robots move, and even lets websites show all the fun stuff you see online. Imagine a world with no video games, no apps, no YouTube. Whoa! That would be a disaster. Now let's try a little experiment. Imagine you're a computer. What steps would you need to make a sandwich? 1. Take a slice of bread. 2. Spread peanut butter. 3. Put another slice of bread on top. Sounds simple, right? But watch out. If you don't give clear instructions, things can get weird. What if the computer spreads peanut butter on the plate instead of the bread? Or sticks the knife straight into the jar and never takes it out? Oof, that's a messy sandwich. And that's why programming is all about being clear. A tiny mistake in instructions can lead to big, funny, or not so funny problems. You did great today. Now you know that programming is all about giving clear steps so computers can follow along. But guess what? Next time, we're leveling up. We'll write our very first real code, just like actual programmers do. Imagine making a computer follow your instructions. Whoa, that's some serious superpower stuff. Get ready, because things are about to get even more fun. See you next time for the big adventure.